Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Nova-kane back with a quick update from my last video when I got that new free Chems Pager 1 fingerboard. I got that. I had ordered a set of wheels from Joycult. These are going to be a pair of the Blems. So let's just get into it and see if they're as good as a regular wheel and if they're going to be better than those Piros. And if you guys haven't checked out the last video, which most likely you haven't, you can find out how you can win yourself a free fingerboard. I got a board to give out. Just got to follow the rules and we'll make it happen. But yeah, let's see what we got. I ordered blind ones. So I don't know what color I'm getting or anything like that. We're both gonna find out at the same time what I got. Oh, and of course you can't see. Oh, dang, they're red ones or pinkish. Sweet. All right, Blems. You could hear my voice, right? Blems. I don't know which way you put it. There you go. But yeah, oh, sweet. That's pretty legit right there. That's cool. Okay, I don't know who this guy is shooting lasers out of his eyes, but all right. Right on. But sweet. Oh man, that's cool. Cause I mean, I got the red base plates from Dynamic right there. So that's gonna work with those. And yeah, dang, Piro. Probably should have the camera the other way. This is what it's gonna go on. So I'm excited. That's cool, man. Never had a pair of Joycolts. Okay, I can automatically tell that they feel a little bit different than what I'm used to. These are the Blem 3.0 XLs. And let's see, let's compare that to the size of a Piro. It's a little bit thicker. I think it's like supposed to be bigger. And yeah, those are cool. I like the way they look. Let's see if I can get in and find any of the little blemishes, what they consider a blemish. So when you get a blemished pair of fingerboard wheels, probably like air bubbles. You can kind of see that little air bubble in there. Boom. Other than that, I mean, what's wrong with them, you know? They're still gonna function the same, they say. That one's got like a little slice in it, a little crack. I mean, you can't really go, you're not going too wrong with these. And these are $35. So that one's got that little chippage in there. I mean, that's on the backside, right? And they say there's nothing wrong with them, just except the way they look. Because I mean, normally, what is it? It's like $55 for a set of wheels. I can't afford that. I can definitely afford the $35 trial one to see if they're good, you know? If they're really good compared to what I'm used to, then, you know, we can go from there. These are sick, man. Enough of those fancy shots. Now all we gotta do is just try them out. Let's go. And yeah, and I like, you know, the blind option. You know, who knows which ones you're gonna get. I'm happy with the ones that I got. They came out cool. Overall thoughts, they're nice. They feel good. Maybe I'll try one more pair, but maybe a little bit smaller because they are kind of big. It's a kind of maybe a little bit more of a learning curve. I'm using two different boards to, you know, kind of feel and compare. Same trucks, both dynamic, they're both 36s, boxy, eggy shape. I mean, this is my favorite board that I have right here is my workshop. I think this is the ultimate setup right here. I love the Chems boards. I'm still shooting with the Piros. I like the Piros, but like I said, I think maybe just the one size smaller, maybe the 3.0. Give those a try out. But I mean, these do got a super spin on them. I mean, it's still going. I like my Piros. These are 10s. I'll give these a 9. So, I mean, I like them. I like the color. You know, the blemishes aren't really too bad or anything like that. Very nice. Very nice wheels. They came highly recommended from TC Gene. You know, I commented on his videos and he said that he loves them. Try them out. So, I mean, I had to do it. Hopefully you could tell the difference like I did. That's my honest review on them. Not trying to bash anybody or make anybody feel bad. I'm sure nobody will. And if you guys like any of the obstacles I had, my boy OG Fingers, FB, makes those concrete. He's got a bunch of cool stuff. Got that Spark bench always. But yeah, that's what I got today. I like them. I hope you guys enjoy them too. Let me know your thoughts about how you like your Joycolts, how you like your Piros, which ones you like better yourselves, or if there's a better set of wheels out there that you guys have off the top of your head, and you could leave it in the comments. Let me know. I'll try it out. I'm really happy with both of these boards. I think these are two of my best boards that I got right now. Check you guys in the next one.